Hello and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to a big trip almost for a week. We are going with the night bus. Where are we going with the night bus to?
Ha Giang.
Ha Giang. And there we are staying one night.
Yes.
And then we're going back with the night bus to Hanoi. But now we have to give back our motorcycle to the cousin of Han, and afterwards we go to the hairdresser. So today we have a lot to do, a lot to vlog. So Han is at the ATM withdrawing some money, and yeah, today we also want to go to the prison and to a bridge in the sunset. So let's see if it will be nice there. And I also have a call at 4 p.m. with my business partner with the Stamstack company. And then so I have to move because there will come a car. Driving this motorcycle is crazy. We have 95,000 kilometers and it's only half automatic. Like you can go, but it's strange. But now we have to go very difficult way to his house, and let's see if there is so much traffic. But we will make it for sure. So, back from the hairdresser, we are fresh again.
Oh yes.
Hong.
We are Deb Dry.
Yeah. So beautiful. So, I slept in a taxi and now we are ready for the market. There are very nice things here. Very nice stuff in here. You can see fish, eels. Sweet, 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 sweet. Who wants sweets everywhere? They are really selling everything, lying here, sleeping next to the shops, and here you can see all the spices. It's fantastic. Yeah, maybe I should buy some. So we just had this money and now we are searching for a good place, maybe where it's quiet, because I have a call soon. So I had a call here in Kappa Coffee about the company where I am advisor with Stamstack, with the digitalization of stamps worldwide. And yeah, now we're waiting for the taxi to the Longbin Bridge. Hopefully we'll make it until the night. Hopefully we'll make it in the sunset, and then at 9 p.m. we are going to Ha Giang.
Ha Giang?
Yeah. We wanted to go to this bridge, but it was so much traffic. We went there for like 40-50 minutes, and because we are going to Ha Giang today overnight, it was we thought like, yeah, we have to go back into the city because maybe we will miss the appointment there. So we went back again through the traffic, another 1 hour, and now we are back in the city. We're going to a place for food where I have been the first days without Hong, and yeah, I eat their pho soup and some vegetarian meals. It was very nice, but the girl who has the shop is very funny, and She told me last time all about the traditions of this restaurant because it's family tradition since over 100, 200 years. Guys, we had a lot of troubles.
I had a lot of troubles.
But now finally we are here.
Breakdown, guys.
We are here. And now that's a very nice bus, yeah. I really have to say this sleeping bus is very, very comfortable.
Hey guys, what's up? We made it to the right tour, to the, I don't know how to call it, but we're just staying here for this night until tomorrow. It was a double miracle that we got here safely, the right stop. Oh my god, you guys don't want to know. It's time to go to sleep, guys. At least a couple of hours.
Good morning, we are now in the bus. This was a night for sleeping with 20 people in a room. Nobody expected that, so let's go. It's full breakfast time.
I'm top fit, 100% guys.
So guys, we arrived here. That's our first stop. These 3 rocks, they are very holy, and a lot of people are coming to visit them here. So now we are on the way for like 2 hours, but the landscape is amazing. And yeah, we had a very, very traditional Vietnamese lunch.
What's up, guys? We just ate very traditional dish, like family style, different dishes. The specialty was like black chicken.
Like chicken.
Black chicken. Yeah. We don't know how the chicken gets black, but black chicken.
They burn it. This music in the background, I really like it, and the nature, wow. So we are ready for the next spot, yeah. This small village is, there are many different cultures and people in Vietnam, and here there is a very small amount of people is calling Hmong, and they have here the village, and they are living, mostly from the tourism. What a nice cat.
Let's go to the top there.
The driver was very funny, and now we're going, you see here this tower, to the top, to the Vietnamese flag up there. Guys, what do you think? I mean, this temple looks like from Avatar, the Fire Nation. It's crazy. So our group, we made it to the top. That's not the highest peak on Vietnam, but very nice tower. Let's go down again. Yeah, I'm very hungry. So I think we're going to dinner now. Bam! The dinner is delicious, and they always want that we drink alcohol. I mean, they are saying it's happy water.
Did you check this out? This is a game. They are playing a game. Throwing it through the roof.
just arrived here in our hotel, and I think I will not sleep so much because I have a call at 2 p.m. and 4 a.m.